So this June, it's Le Mans 100th anniversary, and we're going to go in the Cooper S. So I thought I'd give it a good clean. Here we go. So we got a Mini R53. Paintwork is a bit shabby. We want to be rejuvenating it. So what we're going to do is give it a thorough clean with some foam and a jet wash. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to get some T-Cut paint restorer on there. It's a 365 with some nanotechnology, which is like got a rain repellent. Check out the description and the links, and the products are available there. But here we go, we're going to give it a good wash. Just finished jet washing this car. Give it a bit of foam, loosen up the dirt, and then sprayed it off. The jet wash was a bit rubbish, really. You can see completely soaked, a bit flooded as well, and water was shooting out the bottom of the jet, so I shan't be using that one again. So now the paintwork's clean, we can put this on, which is Tcut's Paintwork Perfection in Radiant Red. Advanced paintwork restoration technology to remove scratches and shines and protect all red vehicles for up to 12 months. I've used the black one on 3 different vehicles, and this is why I bought this one again, because the result's really good. So first thing, obviously clean the car, and then we put on the red wax, which takes the swirls out and leaves a layer of wax on the top, and then it's got some clear liquid, which is like a nanotechnology thing, I don't know. It goes over the top of the wax and protects that, and then gives a really nice shine. So here we go. So inside the box, what we've got, a pad, you put your hand in, wax on, wax off, wax on. You really need more than this. I bought an extra pack of microfibre cloths I've got with me. See the description there for the links. So this is the colour fast, okay? It's like a red. Okay, same colour as the car, roughly. And then we've got the seal, which gives you 12 months paintwork protection. So, you know, when you buy a new car, you kind of drive out the showroom, and it's the water that lands on the car beads, and then if you go for a car wash, like in another car, like that's second hand, the water never beads on it. It's because it hasn't got this nano protection on there, this layer of protection over the top of the wax. So this is a clear liquid. It's also a bit slidey as well, so you know you've got to be careful putting it on. Anyway, we'll go through that right now. So let's get a cloth. Now it does say to do one panel at a time, but because we've got a Mini, it's pretty small. So let's start with the bonnet. So we just smear it on like that. Rub it right in. The car's slightly wet at the moment because I've just done the jet wash, but it's not too wet. Obviously if it's a hot day, the wax will dry out really quickly. Once the wax dries out, it's harder to take off. Right, I'm going to use a bit more on the bonnet because it's enough to do 3 normal sized cars, and this Mini's small, and I've only got 1 red car, so we can use it sparingly. Give it a good thick coat. We don't have to use it sparingly, I mean. Right, so that's the wax on. We'll use a clean cloth to do the wax off. Right, it's a lot shinier, but now we need the nano protection. We want a nice clean cloth. And I found the best way to do it is to pour it straight onto the cloth, like that. So that's the colour seal. And you can see that going on, that clear liquid. And then buff it off. If you compare that to the other panels, you'll see a huge difference. Now for the rest of the car. Well, there you go. So I've put all the wax on, taken it off, and then put the nano protection on. And I also redone the plastic with some back to black and the tyres. And it looks really good. All the product links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on our trip to Le Mans in the Mini Cooper S. Thanks for watching. Bye.